Alright, so these are all my ingredients, and I'm baking some rusks. Now rusks are very typically South African. We take rusks in the morning as we get up early to feed the cows, then milk the cows, let out the pigs, and go out with the elephants. So what we do is we've got self-raising flour, which is 1 kilogram, and we've got some salt, we've got brown sugar, we've got some nuts, all bran flakes, and then we've got cultured buttermilk, an egg, actually 3 eggs, oats, and that is our butter. So that is our recipe, which we can also share, and we're going to mix all these things. Okay, so we put the rusks in the tray, and now we just cut it. Very easy. Also kom so in. Kom op. Hey. Okay. So this is the lovely rusks, and we're baking it at 160 degrees in the little oven. So, 8:54. Okay, so 30 minutes. It is 8:35 now, so 5 minutes after 9 o'clock. Down there. And luckily, Alex reminded me to start. So Alex reminded me to check, luckily for Alex. So over there, halfway. Oh, that rusks of mine's going to be delicious. Okay, so luckily, pause. Ek wil eintlik stop. Pause, stop. Kan maar afreken. Okay, so what the fuck? So I've got some help there, thorough help today here, as so we're cutting the rusks in little blocks. You know, the cameraman can't be the cutter and the slicer and the baker and... Okay, so this is now soft. It's been baking for half an hour in the oven, and from here we're going to actually put it back into the oven to dry on a much lower heat, and it's going to take some time for it to dry, but it must first cool off, because if we take that out of that pan now, it's going to break into you know, little crumbles, and that's not really what we want. So we are going to leave this now. So that is lovely rusks. It is smelling delicious. putting this on the drying rack just to cool off. Actually, it's a cooling rack now.
Yeah.
Why do I call it a drying rack?
We're going to put it on this rack as well into the oven, so when we put it in for the last little bit to dry it off at all.
So it's the cooling drying rack. So while we're all in the kitchen, Nelia's birthday, but she's helping us with all the dishes. So we just want to say happy birthday to Nelia. Okay.